Now the smartwatch industry is growing and growing, and there is no doubt it can be increasingly hard to separate the good ones from the bad ones. But with a goal of producing affordable, stylish smartwatches, A-Choice might have you covered. This is the A-Watch for women in stylish pink. This is their new 2022 latest smartwatch, boasting some rather impressive specs for such a cheap price. Let's see what I'm talking about and dive into this watch in a little more detail. So in the box you get everything you need to get this smartwatch up and running, a charging cable and a very basic user manual. That is pretty much it. But with those limited things comes an out of the box experience. So the corresponding app for this is called Very Fit. Both are available on Android and iOS. The app does require a short registration process, but this is mainly to offer you the ability to provide your statistics like height, weight and age, and in turn this will tailor you some fitness options especially for you. The pairing process is rather quick and you should be up and running in less than a couple of minutes. Before we look at some of the features and options available to you for both the watch and phone app, let's have a look at the watch itself. So A-Choice has opted for this really nice pink and black gloss contrast. The way the black screen stands out from its pink surrounding case and straps, but it does make for a nice premium look. The strap is also quite hardy, it feels thick and withstands stretching, and to be honest, quite a slight battering. If you have small wrists, the band shouldn't be a concern and it fits a range of sizes. This watch consists of many very useful abilities and features. One that might not be appealing to everyone, but certainly a unique add-on is the ability to have a customizable watch face. With a library of watch faces to choose from on the app, there is also the ability to add a picture of your own to make the watch feel a little more personal to you. I think this is a really nice touch that a lot of smartwatches in this price range just don't seem to have. Adding your own touch to a watch like photos, text or even your business logo, well, it makes the watch more personal to you. This wouldn't be a smartwatch without the ability to show accurate and live readings. One option is the heart rate mode. This can be done manually, but it does indeed monitor your heart rate 24/7, offering you feedback results on the app and on the watch face itself. This can come in extremely handy if you need to track and provide readings to your doctors. Another smart feature is the ability to track and keep on top of your blood and oxygen levels. It uses a pulse oximeter and measures a person's blood oxygen saturation level and heart rate to get this result. Once again, a very useful way to ensure you're in your prime health. Along with the health monitoring options, there is the ability to monitor fitness and exercise. This can be anything from performing basic step counting and creating detailed data for you to track and create goals, to even using the watch as a monitor for a range of exercise activities like indoor and outdoor biking, swimming data, yoga, and even a generic workout. It will provide a countdown and then in turn track the duration, calories burnt, and when your heart rate sits within the on-screen zone. The ability to track your sleep might be overlooked by many people, but the ability to be able to see data that indicates how much of the sleep is deep, well, you may be surprised. In correspondence with the app, you can see just how much of your sleep is in deep state and what times you were tossing and turning in a light sleep. So the smart abilities and health monitoring functions are there, but this watch does offer some more convenient features that help you utilize your mobile further. One is certainly the ability to receive notifications from a variety of apps, letting you know you have a text or Snapchat notification that you need to respond to. Also the ability to accept or reject calls straight from your wrist, well, it will make receiving a call so much more appealing. This is completely waterproof with a water resistance of up to 50 meters, meaning you can even track underwater swimming and record your achievements straight from your wrists. Not to mention not needing to take it off every time you have a shower or bath. The battery life is dependent on your usage, and at 2 hours for a full charge and about 8 to 10 days of battery life with moderate usage, well, that's pretty impressive. All in all, this is a very desirable smartwatch for the price. It boasts the ability to look both premium and functional with its abundance of health and fitness features. That pink stylish design is eye-catching and desirable, making this watch a must-have for a variety of people. Check out this product in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. As always, till next time.